American Gambit's X-Files title sponsorship announcement. In a move that bridges the worlds of strategy, precision, and technology, American Gambits, one of the most data-driven franchises in the Global Chess League, proudly announced their title sponsorship with Fires, a leading technology-first brokerage and investment platform. The partnership was officially unveiled at an exclusive event graced by Prachura PP, co-owner of American Gambits, Tejas Khode, CEO and co-founder of Fires, and Lucky Saini, Senior Vice President and Marketing Head at Fires. Together, they revealed the team's official jersey, symbolizing a new era of collaboration between technology and chess. Prachura PP, co-owner, American Gambits. Fires embodies the same spirit that drives the American Gambits: strategic thinking, precision, and bold decision-making under pressure. This partnership goes beyond sponsorship. It's a shared vision to elevate chess as a modern, data-driven, and aspirational sport. Tejas Khode, co-founder and CEO, Fires. Chess mirrors the mindset required in trading and investing, thinking several moves ahead, assessing risk, and maintaining composure under pressure. Every decision, whether on the chessboard or in the market, is about balancing logic and intuition. With Fires as the title sponsor, American Gambits take a bold leap forward, redefining how strategy, technology, and intelligence converge, both on the board and beyond.
Partnership, and we even changed the name from American Gambits to Fires American Gambits. So henceforth I'll be calling my team as Fires American Gambits. It's great to have them on board. It's an honor to have this kind of partnership, which is sort of unseen in the space of chess earlier, and we are the first ones in the Global Chess League history to have a 3-year partnership. So I welcome them wholeheartedly, and I thank them for trusting American Gambits. And it also shows that American Gambits, which sort of the Fires American Gambits, who prefer to be called as a team that focuses more on precision and ensuring that we do things really well and we brand ourselves really well. It's a great partnership to have.
Tell us about your players and the preparation.
Right. We have 6 players in our team, like any other team in the Global Chess League. Our icon player is played by world number 2 chess player Hikaru Nakamura, who's quite famous. Apart from that, we have 2 superstar men players who are Richard Rapport and Vladislav Artemiev. We also have 2 women players, Bibisara and Theodora Iniak. And we also have a prodigy player in Volodar Murzin, who is the current world rapid champion. So he is the reigning champion, and we are very glad that we have him on team as well. And in coming to the preparations, there are chess players prepare individually as well, and we also try to bring in the team bonding, and we also try to prepare against the opponents. So the preparation is ongoing. We also have Srinath, who is India's best coach right now. He is the coach of the Indian men's chess Olympiad team, which won the gold medal in 2024. So we probably are lucky to also have him. So he's out there, and he's doing his best as well to bring the team together and to ensure that we put our best foot forward when we are playing against the other players of other teams.